In this video, we will walk you through how to connect Mailchimp with Dynamics 365 CRM using Marketing for Dynamics. Once you have imported Marketing for Dynamics, open the Marketing for Dynamics app from your Dynamics 365 environment. Before getting started, make sure your product license is activated. Next, go to the setup to begin connecting Mailchimp with your CRM. To connect Mailchimp, enter your API URL and API key. The API URL follows a standard format based on your Mailchimp on your region. To find your API key in Mailchimp, go to the Accounts and Billing, then Extras, and then select API keys. You can use an existing key or generate a new one. Once you have entered the details, click on Connect to Mailchimp, and that's it. Your Mailchimp account is now successfully integrated with Dynamics 365 CRM. You can now sync your Mailchimp data with CRM, manage audiences, and track engagement. You can also create, execute, and monitor campaigns directly with Dynamics 365. Start connecting your Mailchimp with Dynamics 365 CRM using Marketing for Dynamics today.